In today's video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI website for presentations, docs, and slides. First, we will start on the main dashboard and click on the Create New AI button located near the top. This brings up our core creation paths, and I'm going to select the Generate option to build a brand new presentation directly from a text prompt. Next, I will adjust the length of the presentation from 10 cards down to 5 cards using the drop-down menu on the left. Now, I'll click into the prompt box and type our topic, which will be a quarterly financial report, and then hit the Generate Outline button. The AI instantly generates a structured 5-card outline for us. Before moving forward, I'll scroll down to the customization options below the outline and make sure the text content style is set to concise. Let's click View More under the Theme section to pick a nice visual style. I'll scroll down through the list of available color palettes and choose the Coral Glow theme, then click Select Theme to apply it to our project. Everything looks great, so I will click the Generate button at the bottom right to begin the creation process. You can see the AI actively constructing each slide in real time, filling out the structured text details and matching illustrations automatically. Once the generation process finishes, you can scroll through to preview the complete presentation deck. If you need to make any manual adjustments, simply click or highlight any text block to bring up the editing menu where you can quickly change the column size or text alignment. I can also open the Edit with AI Assistant option or browse the Basic Blocks panel on the far right side to explore add-ons like images, charts, smart layouts, forms, or videos. When you are ready to save and download your work, click the 3 dots icon in the top right corner of the interface and select Export. From here, I'll click Export to PDF to start downloading a local copy of the document. I will also click Export to Google Slides, connect my Google account, and seamlessly transfer the presentation over to Google's platform. Finally, you can click to open your newly created Google Slides deck or view the downloaded PDF file to see your completed professional presentation. And that's it. That's how you use Gamma AI website for presentations, docs, and slides.